Okay, so this is my program that controls essentially two Arduinos that communicate with each other using these IR transceivers here. See, there is an IR LED on there and there is an IR LED on there. So now they see each other, and if I put this apart, they're not going to see each other. So let me put it close to, well, let's start with not seeing each other. So the idea here is for these two Arduinos to agree on a number, okay? And let's suppose that the number here, we chose it to be 8. These are the reading functions for these two Arduinos, so we'll see how they communicate, how they read each other's numbers. So there's some handshaking between them because they communicate with these two IR transceivers. And whenever they agree that they both have the same number, then they'll display the numbers here. Okay, so you'll see 8. If there is two 8s, then they agree that they have the same number. So let's run it. All right, so now we're running the thing. They don't see each other. So now they're kind of searching to see if there's an Arduino board next to them. And whenever this voltage is greater than 4, essentially they don't see each other. Okay, and now as we approach it, now they see each other. So they're going to start reading and listening to each other sequentially. Okay, now the one on the left is talking, the other one is listening, and now actually it was the opposite. The one on the right was talking and the left was listening. So they go through these steps of listening and talking to each other a few times, and at some point they'll produce the same results, which should be 8. There you go, there's another communication happening there, so some reading happening. Okay, and now the other one is talking. Okay, so pretty soon we should see this number 8 showing up here, which means that, oh, there you go. So one of them says, the emitter says, okay, so you have 8 too, and now the receiver is looking and is going to say, yeah, me too, I have 8. There you go. So this is the first step. I'm going to stop the program and change this number to 5, okay, and run it again. Okay. So the same thing, there's some communication happening. They actually see each other because the transceivers are in front of each other. This is how the Arduinos communicate, talk to each other. You can see the LEDs blinking, saying that they're sending commands, and there you go. We have one 5 that is there already, and another 5. So there you go. This shows that this thing works.